Welcome to my channel. There are several different types of ear and nose hair trimmer clippers available, each with its own characteristics, advantages, and costs. Be sure to read my description if you are interested in learning more about the price and other details. Let's watch the video without further ado. Versatile trimming tool, made of high-quality stainless steel. This cordless ear and nose hair trimmer can effectively and comfortably remove unwanted hair from your nose, ears, eyebrows, beard, and face. One-button design is easy to use and suitable for men and women. Let you show the most confident side anytime, anywhere. Dual-edge spinning blades. This nose hair and trimmer features a dual-edge spinning blades system with a protective cover, inner 360 degrees rotating design, which smoothly and precisely removes the hairs without painful or unpleasant pulling. It is comfortable and easy to use. Let you show your best at work or appointments. IPX7 Waterproof and Easy Cleansing. It's waterproof and washable, making it easy to deal with residual by soak cleaning or having it take a shower. Washable and removable trimmer head is convenient for cleaning and maintenance. User-friendly handy body design comes with a dust-proof cover to protect the trimmer head. Energy-saving and whisper-quiet operation. The upgraded motor is more powerful but less power-consuming by 5%. 1 PCAA battery, not included, can run for more than 6 months for 5 minutes of use at a time. This nose trimmer is suitable for road trips and travel. With operating noise less than 50 dB, use the nose hair clippers freely. Worry-free money-back guarantee. Zorami nose hair trimmer comes with a 30-day full money-back assurance without a lot of arguing required. Please feel free to reach us if you have any questions or dissatisfaction and we'll make it solved. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.